I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hello people and hello universe, it's me again. Shoutout po sa lahat ng mga Pilipino sa buong digdig, especially the Marcos loyalists and supporters. So confirm guys, ay nanumpa ang bagong DOF Secretary Ralph Recto, kasama po ang Pangulo and of course ang kanyang may bahay na si Vilma Santos, ang star for all season, ang kasama din ang kanyang anak. So, confirm yan guys, ang bagong sekretary ng DOF. At ngayon guys, basahin ko sa inyo para malaman po ng lahat ang kanyang education background and of course ang work experience at ang kanyang accomplishment sa buong buhay niya. So, yun guys, basahin ko sa inyo. And, ito na po. Congratulations po. So yun mga kababayan, ay siyempre sino nga ba si dating Senador Ralph Recto? Ano ba ang kanyang natapos o ano po ang kanyang background? So basahin po natin mga kababayan Sabi ng PCO, tingnan itinalaga ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. si Secretary Ralph G. Recto bilang bagong kalihim ng Department of Finance ngayong ika-12 ng Enero 2024. Narito ang mga mahalagang informasyon tungkol sa bagong Finance Secretary, no? So alam po natin guys, maraming ayaw sa kanya pero wala tayong magawa. Yan ang pinili ng ating mahal na Pangulo. According to our beloved President, mga kababayan, may kakayahan mamuno si dating Senator Ralph Recto na ngayon ay Secretary ng DOF. Hindi yata tatakbo ito nung sa guys, hindi siguro sa mag-re-elect for senador, So matagal na po ito naging senador, so medyo malalim ang kanyang kaalaman. So titingnan natin dito mga kababayan ano po ang kapalagayan nyo dito mga besyang yan po ay ang bagong DOF secretary. Well guys sa aking nakikita magaling naman siya. Ang kanyang education background, Oh, wow guys, bigatin. Education, Bachelor of Science in Commerce, Major in Business Management, De La Salle University 1989. Nako, kaya naman pala guys. Major in Business Management, Certificate in Business Economics. Nako, yan naman pala guys. University of Asia in the Pacific 1993. Alam nyo ba, si Pangulong Marcos Jr., economics din po yan. Business economic yan si Pangulong Marcos Jr. Correct me if I'm wrong. Politics, economics. Yan Oh guys, candidates for master degrees in public administration. Nako, kayo naman mga beso. University of the Philippines 1991. Wow. Yun naman, bigatin din ang education background nito guys Kayo naman talaga, Work experience, ayan. Deputy Speaker sa House of Representative, District Representative, Batangas, 6 Districts, 19 Congress of the Philippines, July 22 to 24. Kasalukuyan actually guys 6 District. And guys, 5th to Senator, 5th to 18 Congress of the Philippines 2010-2022. Senate President pro tempore 2017-2022. Socio-Economics Planning Secretary and Director General, National Economic Development Authority, July 28 of July 2008. 15 August of 2009. Wow. Independent Director, Union Bank. Guys kayo naman 28 September 2007 and 2007 to July 2008. Agoy. Tapos Senator uli 12 to 13 Congress of the Philippines, District Representative, Batangas 4th District, 9 to 11 Congress of the Philippines 1992 to 2001. Wow, panahon pa ni Coricong guys Correct me if I'm wrong. Tama ba ako? Ni Ramos I think And of course guys, accomplishment. Ayan, yan ang sinasabi ko guys. Over 48 major laws authored, sponsored such as Taxing Pogos RA number 11590. Mayroong isang bagay kasi na ayaw nila kaya dating Senator Ralph Recto. Ito po guys yung dinagdagan yata yung VAT Yun, correct me if I'm wrong guys ha. Murang Kuryente Act RA number 11371, Universal Healthcare Act RA number 11223. Ay guys ha, huwag kayo ha. Rice Tarification Act RA number 11203. Ayan. 2018 Social Security Act RA number 11199. Ayan. 2018 Ease of Doing Business and Efficient Government Service Delivery Act RA number 11032. Tax reforms, ayan guys for acceleration and exclusion train law RA number 10963. Yan ba yun guys kung ba naayaw sa kanya na tinaas daw niya ata yung tax? I don't know guys, no, hindi ko na pa naman ni-research, no, so hindi na importante yun. Research nyo na lang guys. Extended implementation period of agricultural competitiveness enhancement funds RA number 10848. Yan guys and then general tax amnesty RA number 9480. Excise tax, ayun guys. Ito yun guys, di ba? Excise tax increase on alcohol and tobacco RA number 9334. Okay lang, mga kababayan, nasabi niya excess tax increase on alcohol pala ito, tobacco. So, yun mga kababayan ang kanyang accomplishment, okay? And ang kanyang education background, and of course guys, at ang kanyang work experience, alam po natin yan. And of course, ang kanyang accomplishment nung nasa government, employers pa siya as a senador, ayan, at siyempre congressman, tama ba? So ano po ang masasabi nyo dito mga kababayan? Ako wala akong masabi dahil ay talagang wow, dekalidad ang kanyang education background guys So mga besyang, ano ang kapalagayan nyo? Of course, mayroon kayong palagay. Yung iba hindi mapalagay. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa inyong watching and that's it for today's upload videos. And see you again guys on my next upload videos. Maraming salamat sa inyong watching. Don't forget to like, hit the button bell para laging i-update sa aking mga upload videos and live soon. Salamat po. Maraming salamat sa inyong support, sa patuloy sa pag-support sa ating mahal na Pangulo. Thank you guys. See you again. Bye 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 and babos. God bless Philippines. Ayan.